Hey everybody, this is the Dyson DC-33. We got two of them for the Baha'i Center. I'm just going to show you real quick how it works. This is the power button, and when you press it and you turn it on, all you do is there's a little groove here. Stick your foot in it, and it automatically comes off. It doesn't go like that, and then when you stick it up, it pops in. So again, this is how you pop it out, and then you just pop it right back in. Again, and I think here, yeah, this is the knob that goes from carpet to hard floor. So that goes right there in the front. In order to take the trash out, you grab this. This is actually how you lift it. You lift it by this handle. Do not lift it from here, do not lift it from here, but lift it from here. In order to take the thing out, you push the button. This comes out, and then over here, I think if you push that button again, the compartment falls off and all the trash comes down. I'm pretty sure that's the way it works, but I'm not going to do it since I tested it a little bit. There's a little bit of trash there, but tell you what, for the sake of this video, let's see if in fact that's the way it works. So I'm going to toss it, just going to push that same button again, and that's what it is. It just pops it all right out. Okay, and then you just pop this closed. So again, you just close it with your hand until it clips. Okay, so, and then you take it back. There's the air filter. I did not change that air filter for a month, for the entire time I had mine, but you might want to change that every now and then. There's a little clip on the side over here that it just pops right open. You pull this filter out, and then you can put a brand new filter in instead. So I'm going to close that, pop this guy back in, put it back inside, make sure it fits, and then you push it back in. And it's hard to film and do this at the same time until it clips. So that's in right there. Now there are two brushes over here. There's one brush that's just sitting outside. I'll show you where that goes. And there's a mini brush over here to get into smaller areas. This is very helpful when you're I just tested it right now with my car. Took some stuff out of the trunk and it worked pretty well. Both of them work. Now, see how I remove this? The vacuum cleaner, if it's in its upright position, does not vacuum at all. When it's in its upright position, it serves as this pipe. So you can pull this out, and there's a little thing that you squeeze here, and that makes this whole section come out, so that you can vacuum certain places with the two attachments that I showed you right there. Okay, so with this you can do the top portions and stuff, but it doesn't work really well if you don't have anything clipped on it. But I'll show you how it works with something clipped on it. So hold it right here, pull one of these guys out. So when you put it in, it clicks. In order to take it out, you have to push the button to unclick it. All right. Now, very important, when you pull the pipe out, when you pull this thing out, you see, I'm going to show you, this thing comes all the way down. So in order to push it back in, there's a little button here. You have to squeeze that so that the pipe can actually come back in. In fact, I'm sorry, that's not it. It's this one right here. This allows for the... Actually, that one is not it either. That one makes the whole pipe come off. I believe the only way to push that thing back in is by putting it back in its place. And then, I think this is it. Yeah, this is the one. Yep, that's the one that allows it to go all the way back in. Okay, you have to put it back on, close it, and then it works. Again, whenever you want to vacuum, you have to push this, and it has to move here. That way it kicks to the bottom. While it's in its upright position, it goes to the hose. And I believe that's all that you need to know. to make this vacuum cleaner work.